In this guide, I'm going to show you why your Prime Video app is not working on your phone and how can you fix it. First, check your internet connection, launch settings. Go to the option Wi-Fi, make sure you have stable internet connection or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, restart your phone. This might sound simple, but it can fix many temporary glitches. Just turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Now, make sure your Prime Video app is updated. To check that, launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Prime Video. After app appears, if you find the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. An outdated app can cause problems if still it is not working. Another important step is to check if Prime Video servers are down. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Town Detector, then search for Prime Video. If you found out any outages from their end, you'll need to wait until the problem will be solved. If not, you can follow these steps. Update your phone software. For that, close this, launch settings, go to General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Amazon Prime Video app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Prime Video not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.